Welcome back, Web Skill Labs. Today, we lean into Drive Rocket LMS. Let's get started.
Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Skill Labs. So let's go to the next step, how to download Rocket LMS, and I will continuously show you the tutorial how to successfully install Rocket LMS learning management system. Now we are in the download page section. The download link will be in the video description. Click human verification. If you face any problem in install the script or anything, any kind of bug issues, you can contact me by Telegram. My Telegram link will be in the video description. Click subscribe now. Okay, now click subscribe. After subscribe, close the tab. Back to the download page. Click download now. We have to wait few seconds. Now we are in the download page. Click download. Download anyway. Okay, I am cancelling the download because I have already downloaded the zip. Now we have to create a subdomain. Search for domain. Click create new domain. If you have this tick, untick it. Type your subdomain name. Rocket LMS dot. This is my domain. Primary domain. Click submit. It will take some times because there are lots of subdomain and primary domains in my cPanel. Okay, our subdomain is successfully created. Now we will go to root document. Here we will upload the script which we downloaded. Let's wait some while to upload the script. Okay, our script is successfully uploaded. Back to our subdomain. Now delete this two folder. Okay, now extract the Rocket LMS zip in the subdomain. Okay, the zip file is extracted. Delete the zip folder. Enter the folder. Here we have the database folder. This is dummy data. Okay, now we have a documentation page or folder. We have the documentation folder also and the source code. Enter the source code file. There is also a zip folder. Now move this zip folder to the main subdomain. Okay, back to the subdomain. Now, you, now we have to delete the folder. Okay, extract the source zip. Okay, now delete the source zip file. Enter the source folder. Select all. Move to subdomain. Go back. Now delete the source empty folder. Okay, now let's visit our subdomain. Okay, we have to create a we have to create a data we have to create database and also upload the database to the admin. Okay, this is big. Okay, uh, okay, we have a database problem. Now back to our PC, download, extract the zip so that we get the uh, database. Okay, here is our database. Now back to cPanel. Let's create a database. Search for database wizard. Search for database wizard. Uh, create database Rocket LMS. Click next. Rocket LMS. Generate a password. Copy the password. Tick I have copied the password in safe place. Create user. Click all privileges. Now click make changes. Then we have back to our folder. We have to edit the environment.env environment file. We have database password empty. Paste the database password. Copy the database user. Paste it and our database name also same. Our database name also same. So paste it. Okay. Now click changes. Okay. Our, our fit our database 90% work is done. Now let's go to the phpMyAdmin. Here you can see phpMyAdmin. It will redirect you the whole database. Uh, our all database is stored. Click databases. Find which database we have created. We have created that database Rocket LMS. Now click import. Okay. Now choose file. Okay. Now enter the folder. Go to database folder. Click the demo DB. Open it. Now click import. It will take some time because we have uploaded a database where so many dummy data are stored. Okay, our database is successfully uploaded. Here you can see 890 queries executed. Okay, now let's refresh our domain. Still we have a problem. We got a error or everything is okay. Password yes, but there is a problem would be in the env folder. Maybe database many space or connection error. So I remove the password and recheck the database and user. Okay, copy this, paste it, paste it carefully. Also remove it, user. Paste it also carefully. Now we change the database password from here. Change password, generate a password. Okay, now copy the password. If I have copied this password and the password. Now back to env folder. There is no space. There is no space. So paste the password. Now save it. Okay, it's successfully saved. Now refresh. Okay, our script is successfully installed and we have the full website, which is how beautiful. Okay, now let's check the admin panel. Maybe admin. Okay, now we will enter the admin panel. You will get the admin email and password in the documentation folder. Okay, now enter the admin at demo.com. Our password is also admin. Oh wow. Now we have to enter the admin panel successfully. If you have any cache clear, now you can manage everything from the admin panel. It's a complete admin panel. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you have any issue or any problem, contact me on Telegram. My Telegram link will be on the video description.
If you face any problem with the tutorial, you can contact us by Telegram. Telegram link in the video description.